All right, today we're gonna bring some LED lights and we're gonna take one of them out, and you don't have to worry about glass. This is actually plastic, so we're gonna set it up on one of our lanterns here and see how beautiful they look at night. So let's go ahead and set them up, and this is how you get them. All right, you pack of 6, very simple. They're gonna last you for a long time. Now take a look at the light bulbs. These are super bright light bulbs. They're gonna light up the entire area here. You could do it one, but we actually set up 3 of them in here, and look at this. They look fabulous. Now these will light up the entire area, so if you want it dimmed down, I want to recommend the highlighted ones, but these will give you great lighting, especially if you have do your homework underneath of it, eat supper or something. You want to make sure you 5 4 3 2 1. These lights are gonna light up the entire area here. One light bulb is very strong, as you can see, very bright. So, but you get 6, and right now we have 3 set up together. Let's see if I could get a little close up of it. They don't overheat or anything else. It's just the LED. They're gonna last you for a long time, and you're gonna save a lot of money on your electrical bill too. So, hope you guys enjoy the video.